getting so bored of doing this work, and I'm really craving the McDonald's caramel frappe.
It may actually go okay.
Man, I've got so much uni work to be doing right now. Oh, this is just too much. Actually, let me just have a look on Twitter, see if there's anything funny on there. Oh, who's this?
Hey, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm okay, thanks. I've just been really craving the McDonald's caramel frappe, and I was thinking you'd help me make it.
Yeah, that's cool. Do you have caramel sauce or chocolate sauce?
I actually don't have the caramel or chocolate sauce. I don't know if it's gonna work out without it.
It'll be cool. We can just make something up.
I didn't know you could make it without those ingredients.
Yeah, it'll be cool, like, trust me.
Okay, we can try and make it now.
Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'll leave all of the measurements down below. So you're going to need some coffee, some milk, 2 scoops of ice cream, some ice, and this is an optional step. You're going to need some caramel or chocolate sauce, but if you don't have any sauce like Nothando, she's going to show you how to do it without sauce and without coffee. So she's going to use tea instead. So let's just get straight into the video. So first, Nothando, we're going to take our coffee or tea in your case, pour it into the blender, and after you've taken your coffee, you're going to need to put the milk on top of that as well.
So this is how much milk I have. And pour it in. Actually, it looks good already.
It looks good already, right? If you have syrup, now is the time to pour your syrup in. You're just going to pour about 2 tablespoons of syrup in there. If you don't want it too sweet, just pour 1. And then after that, you want to put your ice in there. Oh my gosh. It's kind of hard because I'm trying to put the ice in without dropping it onto my laptop. Like you'll just see the screen go black.
Like hello. And there'll be that awkward moment again where you're talking to yourself.
Like you have to do it bit by bit because you don't want the ice to get too broken up. So just maybe turn it on for about 2 seconds each time. Do that 3 times. So on for 2 seconds.
2 seconds each time.
Yeah, for only 3 times. If you're wondering why I'm putting this little plastic cup on top, it's because I don't know where the thing to cover my blender's gone. So we just have to make do, you know what I mean? Like we have to do a makeshift. I think Nothando's blending hers now, so I'm just about to blend mine up. Let's go. So. Whoa! Okay, I think that's good. It smells real good, guys. Okay, I blended it about 6. I did it 6 times just to.
I actually did it like 5 times because we're still quite big.
So now you want to add your ice cream.
Oh, ice cream.
So 2 scoops.
Oh yeah, you did say.
No, it's cool.
This is the ice cream I'm using.
Oh, do you know what I was doing? I was just watching you do it instead of doing it myself. Okay guys, so now we're adding the ice cream.
How long do we blend it for?
Just until it's smooth, so maybe about 5 to 10 seconds.
Just once, right?
Yeah, just once. So, yeah, literally just pour it into the cup.
There's no rocket science to it.
Okay guys, so now we're just pouring our coffee / tea mix. Oh, bruh. Do you know what I've just done? I've just spilled it everywhere.
Me too.
I'm so clumsy, like oh my god. Probably thinking I'm never making a video of this girl again, like what kind of rubbish is
No, I've also spilled it like everywhere as well.
Did you? Okay. Hey! This is so much. I used to work at McDonald's, and what they used to tell us to do, I probably shouldn't be mentioning this, but what they used to tell us to do is like we just have to like squirt the cream on top. Then they'd say only put the amount of caramel, they'd say only put an M shape, like don't give them any more caramel. Like they were so stingy.
I used to work at McDonald's as well. Worst experience ever, but that's a story for another day.
That's a story for another day.
Right. Okay. That makes it look fancy.
Guys, basically when I was putting the caramel on top, it cut off.
This is the end result.
3, 2, 1.
I'm not even tasting anymore, I'm drinking the whole thing.
Oh, this is so good.
So surprisingly, it actually tastes really good. I didn't have coffee or the caramel or chocolate sauce. So for coffee, I had to use tea, and for caramel or chocolate sauce, I just used honey because that's what I have. And surprisingly, it tastes really good. I mean, it's obviously not going to taste the same as the McDonald's one because I'm not using the same ingredients, but it's amazing. Honestly, it's probably better than the McDonald's one.
Right guys, so this drink is amazing, and I'm not just saying this because I made it, like it honestly tastes like a McDonald's frappe, like, and I love the caramel frappe so much. It's so good, and the fact that McDonald's is closed right now is such a bummer, but you can still get your frappe if you've been missing it. It's really good. It's just amazing. Basically, I don't really have too much to say other than it's great. Bye.